Baby, let me paint your face. Hey, Daddy. I got my mask on. You ready for me to put yours on? Okay, wait. I had to crack my neck. You know, my bones. Get ready. Don't rush me. Don't rush me. Because I ain't going to do it if you're going to rush me. Okay. You can't rush me. You know I can't crack my bones like I used to because I had a face mask on. So hold on. I gotta find the right angles. Okay. That's all I got. I'm ready for your face mask. Okay, so first, I gotta wash it. So, let me see. I gotta wash your face. Close your eyes so you don't get soap in your damn eyes. Okay. Let me get your... Okay. Let me get this soap on you. Okay. You let the soap sit a little bit, just a little bit, so, you know, it can get all the dirt. Okay, now let me wipe the soap off. Stay still. Close your eyes. Dang. Then you're gonna get soap in your eyes and be talking about it's my fault, but you won't close your eyes. Alright. You ready? I'm finna put the face mask on you. Did you want the one like me? Or you want the one that's the mud mask? Because I got this one. This the pill. It's the gel pill. You want this one? Or you want this one? This one it's blue. It turned like mud. Like the mud mask. You want this one? Okay. I like this one too. But I just wanted to use a different one today. I don't know, Zeddy. I don't know why I wanted to use this one today. I like some questions like that. Close your mouth. Close your mouth before I get it on your lips. Okay. But this one can go on your lips. But the one that I got on my face, it can't go on your lips. Okay. Yeah, this one can go on your eyebrows, on your mustache, on your beard. Yeah. That's why I like this one too. Okay. Now, you gotta stay still, and I'm gonna fan you. Okay? Don't talk, because your mask's gonna wrinkle. And we trying to get rid of the wrinkles. And I'm not even supposed to be talking right now, so I gotta be quiet, okay? Shh. Okay. Now, while your face mask is drying, I'm gonna take mine off. Okay. I don't know where I want to start taking it off yet. I'm gonna start right here. Now you can't talk. Your mask is gonna get wrinkled, so just be quiet. And when you take your mask off, your skin's gonna be soft like mine, okay? Don't be telling everybody what face masks we be using, so they don't need to know. Alright. I think I'm gonna leave these pieces of my face mask on because they're not dry yet. So let me see. Let me keep fanning yours because yours almost done too. Yeah. Fan mine. Okay, thank you. You want fan mine and I'll fan yours at the same time. Okay. Oh, your mask is done? Let me see. Your mask not done. It's still wet. See? So, you gotta wait a little bit longer. Alright, my mask, I'm done with this. I'm done with this cut scene. It's the end of my role play, okay? Gosh, like, that was fun though. That was fun though. That's the end of my role play. Welcome back to my mother vlog and YouTube channel. Cause my name is Fat Ash Vlogs and my booty flat, but that's irrelevant because I'm gonna throw it back, but not today. If you're new, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you can be notified every time I raise hell. And if you're not new, what's up, baby? I see you watching, and thank you for watching. And DM me on Instagram or Twitter. Or social media. I got a Facebook too. But I don't really use, I'm going to put it in the screen what my Facebook name is, okay? But message me on social media and tell me, you know, video suggestions. Tell me role play ideas. Okay? Alright. And look at all my playlists. Okay? Go on my YouTube channel and click the little thingy that have my playlists and look at them. I got a lot of them. You might like them. You never know. Share them with your cousin. Because if you don't like them, your cousin might like them. And oh, my face mask is still moist. It's still damp. But yeah. See you in the next video.